Hello students, learning English. A A is for aeroplane. B is for banana. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fruit. G is for grapes. H is for horse. I is for ice cream. J is for juice. K is for king. L is for lion. M is for mango. How to write M? N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for pen. This is pen. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sheep. T is for train. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T,